What's up everyone and welcome to the Cartooning Club Junior channel. In today's video we're drawing a cute unicorn pug. Let's begin in the center of our page with the top edge of the nose. We'll start on the left side, draw a straight line going across towards the right. And then from the ends we're going to angle this down and in towards the middle, like an upside down triangle. And we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's place the muzzle along the side of the nose. Starting from the top corner, I'm just going to curve this out and then down on both sides. And then from the bottom, I'm just going to round out the muzzle, pull that up and in towards the bottom center of the nose. Let's go in between the muzzle, draw a short line coming down, go over toward the left side. We're going to curve the tongue coming down and then back up. Now we're going to draw on the lower lip, starting back over on the left side. Just follow that same curve of the tongue coming down and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start back on the top left corner of the nose and draw that circle going up towards the top. And just round out the eye, come around the bottom, and just tuck that in toward the side of the muzzle. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by curving in, go up toward the same height, round out the eye, come down, and then in. Let's trace the eyes along the inside. From the top left, we're going to step down, just try to leave an even space gap all the way around, and then back up towards the top. And we'll go back to the left and fill in the eye. And we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now that we've drawn the face, let's draw the inside edge of the costume. Starting right in the middle, I'm just going to curve this out around the eye, come down the side. Now I'm just going to pull that back down and then in toward the left side of the muzzle. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Going around, and the right side, pulling that back in toward the muzzle. Let's add in the eyebrows. We're going to start on the left side, start with a straight line coming in. We'll line this up on the right, do the same thing. Let's round out the inside of the eyebrow, and then just pull that back out. Let's fill in the eyebrows. Now once we've drawn in the face, let's move up to the top and draw on the horn. We'll start over on the left side, draw a curve coming down, and then up. And then from the ends, we're going to draw a straight angle line going up and in toward the center point. Now we're going to add that spiral across that horn. Starting from the bottom left, curve out and then up, step up, and draw that twice. Let's go to the side of the horn, curve the head going out and then down towards the bottom of the ears. So from the bottom left point, step up, curve the head going out, and then bend that down. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going out and then bending that down. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to round out the bottom of the ear, come in, go straight up, and then bend that out. And then from the bottom of the ears, I'm just going to curve the head coming down and then pull that in. Now we're going to draw the wings tucked in behind the side of the head. I'm going to start on the left side, curve up and then down. Just going to round this out and then pull that back in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're just going to line this up, curve up, and then down, round out the wing, and then pull that back up. Let's add a second layer, starting from the bottom, out, down, and then up. And then we'll add a smaller one along the bottom, curving down and then up underneath the head. Now from here we're going to draw the body from the side. Let's start underneath the head on the left side, curve the body coming down, round this out, and then come across towards the right. Let's add a socket for the arm. We're going to go up, and then bend that down. Let's connect the ends with a half oval, coming down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up. Now I'm going to draw that same shape on the left side underneath the body. So start on the outside, come down, and bend that up. Let's continue this curve on the right side of that front leg. So we're just going to line this up, round out the body, pull that up towards the back. Just going to go up and then bend that in underneath the wing. Let's add the back leg underneath the body. We're going to start up here, curve down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up on the outside. Now I'm going to add that curly tail on the right side of the body. Starting down here, curve around, pull that in like drawing a circle. Just going to pull that down on the inside. I'm just going to continue this all the way around and then back in. And that's pretty much it. There's our cute unicorn pug. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. You can check out more tutorials in our main channel at Cartooning Club. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.